Yeah, YouTube. I have one of these Google Mini Homes, and I connected to Wi-Fi outlet plug, and it's pretty cool. Check it out. Right? Hey Google, turn on light.
Sure, turning the turn on the light on.
Hey Google, turn off light.
You got it, turning off the turn on the light.
Is amazing. You seen that? It is better than Alexa. Alexa was having a little trouble do the same thing. I do have a video on it, but I couldn't really control it through Alexa. I had to do it through my phone, but Google control it. Google, hey Google, turn on the light.
You got it, turning on the turn on the light.
Hey Google, turn off light.
Okay, turning off the turn on the light.
Awesome. So in my description, there will be a link in where to buy this Google Home Mini and the outlet, the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi outlet. Well, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.